Oh my God, guys, look at these two, a king and his queen. Where are you
Yes, we are from France.
from? Oh, from France.
Nice.
Oh, that you speak French?
Yes.
Can you say something in French for me?
We love. On vous aime.
Is this your first time in the carnival?
The second time.
Oh, second time. What does
Yes.
this carnival mean to you?
A lot.
Oh,
A lot.
Okay.
So much fun.
no, you can say it in French, what it means to you.
C'est trop bien. On s'amuse trop bien. Voilà.
All right, let me see that. Wow, this is beautiful. What country are you from?
Half Ghana, half Jamaica.
Half Ghana, half Jamaica. Oh my God, how's the carnival been so far?
Amazing. Celebrating all the different countries in the island. And remembering the reason why Carnival started, because it's in honor of somebody, Kelso Cochrane, RIP sir, because this wouldn't be here without him. Representing Antigua, he was murdered on the streets of London. And this was actually started as a protest for his death, which was out of racism. But as you see, we're here today, we're all united. There's multiple colors of people here, multiple cultures, multiple countries, and we love you all, okay? Spread love, not hate, okay? R.I.P. Kelso Cochrane.
All right, thank you very much. Where are you from?
Grenada.
Grenada. Is this like a cultural color or something? Oh, nice.
Caribbean culture.
Caribbean culture. How's the festival so far?
It was very, very good. It was amazing and the weather was fantastic.
Yeah.
Which country are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Ah, very similar.
All right, thank you. Yeah. Hi guys.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?
Sorry, where are you from? New York. Dallas, New York.
Virgin Islands.
Oh my God. Oh, nice. How's the carnival been so far?
It's been amazing. It's been amazing.
Oh,
10 out of 10.
oh nice,
Yeah.
nice. I like that attire. I like the color. So poppy. And it's your birthday this
It's my birthday, yeah.
Oh my God, happy birthday,
Thank
man.
you.
Can we sing a happy birthday song for him?
You can say happy birthday
Happy birthday.
to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Hey.
Wow, nice man. All right. Hello.
Hi.
You look amazing.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
I live here, but I'm from Jamaica.
Oh, okay, nice.
Jamaica.
How has the carnival been so
It
far?
was lovely. It was nice. Tiring and mash up, but it's a lovely celebration of culture. Love it.
Is this your first time?
No, I'm a masquerader for a long time. This is like 10 years for me.
Oh my God.
So yeah,
All
celebrate.
right.
Yeah.
Can you turn around? Oh my God, look at that color. So
Trinidad Queen in the house. Trinidad Queen in the house. If you're looking for me, it's SISTAM Queen.
oh, nice. How's the carnival been so far?
Oh my God. It's
Oh, nice. Are you gonna be here next year?
maybe.
Oh,
But I will be in Trinidad next year.
oh, in Trinidad next
I'll be
year.
in Trinidad this year.
Oh, all right. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hi, bro. You look amazing.
Thank you. How you doing? You're right.
I'm alright. Where you from?
I'm from Croydon, man.
Oh.
South London.
Oh, nice.
This is
I
my
love your
first
costume.
carnival.
Oh, it's your first carnival?
Yeah, first carnival on the float, man. I
Oh,
fucking
nice.
enjoyed it.
Oh,
Enjoyed it.
wow.
It's
This is amazing, man.
Thank you, man.
How has the carnival been so
It's
far?
very good, man. Very good. I'm representing UKCOM this year. This
Okay.
is the Jaguar costume.
Oh, nice. Are you going to be around next year too?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh,
Without
okay.
fail. I'm 100%.
Lovely.
Thank you, man.
Let me see that. Hi guys.
Hi.
How has the carnival been so far?
It was amazing.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Where you from?
A good experience. Yeah.
Where?
Guadeloupe. From Guadeloupe, yeah.
Oh, nice. Like,
Yeah.
Can you say something in Guadeloupe for me? Can you say something in Guadeloupe? Like, hello or something?
It's a beautiful island of France.
Oh, okay. You speak French?
Yeah, I speak French. Yeah.
Oh,
I speak French. Yeah.
All right. Nice. Are you gonna be here next year? Next year?
Maybe. Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Goddess of the Sun, this is amazing.
Thank you.
Look at that. Oh my God. Huh. Where are you from?
I'm half Ghanaian, half English.
Oh, nice. How has the carnival been so far?
Beautiful. It's the best carnival yet. Make sure you go to the next one.
Are you gonna come next year?
100%. See me there. I'm here every year since 2012. We've been in the carnival. We're with UKCOM.
What does the carnival mean to you?
Unity. Everyone just comes together. It doesn't matter where you're from, what you like, what you don't like. Everybody comes together.
Oh, nice. Oh my God, guys, look at this. Oh, where you from, bro?
Huh?
Where are you from?
London, originally family's from Barbados.
Oh, nice. Is this like, what does it signify, the costume?
I mean, this one, Yukon, Amazonia, literally, they're like a whole different range. Like, no, this one's more to do with like the waterfalls.
Oh,
Like that, so yeah, just trying to capture that essence of like the water and everything. Like,
What does the carnival mean to you?
Huh?
The carnival, what does it mean to you?
you know what, for me, carnival's just like freedom.
Oh,
Like freedom to be yourself, freedom to like really like engrave in your culture as intended. Like carnival for me is literally just like putting all your troubles away, like all your daily life, everything kind of just like coming here, representing, and also remembering everyone before you. That's what carnival means to me.
oh, nice. You had fun?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. My feet are sore as fuck right now, so yeah.
Oh, since morning, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. All right, thank you very much.
No worries.
Hey guys, look at this.
Hi.
Beauty in pink. Hi.
Hi.
Where you from?
The Turks and Caicos.
Where?
The Turks and Caicos.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
Southeast Bahamas.
Is this your first time?
No.
Oh, okay. You've been to this carnival several times.
Yeah.
What does the carnival mean to you?
It's just a celebration of freedom and just like let it is, which I love.
Oh, nice. You had fun?
I did have fun.
All right.
Now it's time to go home.
Okay. I can see you're tired.
I am
Oh,
exhausted.
All right. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Oh my God, look at that costume. Where are you from?
Jamaica.
Oh, nice. Is this your first time?
Yeah, this is my first time.
Oh,
This
your
is third year.
Oh, nice. How has the carnival been so far?
Absolutely amazing from start to finish. It was absolutely amazing. Big up UKCOM Carnival, the one big carnival. If you're not represent UKCOM, who you represent? We don't know. Big up yourself, UKCOM. Big up my nice clean self. Today my birthday also, so big up me. Big up my friend. Big up the video man. Yeah. We enjoy ourselves. If I never enjoy myself, I throw up myself.
Sorry, one question. What does the carnival mean to you?
The carnival, obviously, it's about liberation and also Caribbean people having something to do, having something to celebrate, I should say. So carnival is definitely needed for people to understand the culture and understand what it's about, and also for people to come and celebrate. Remember, people are from the Caribbean and we're living in England. So this carnival is something for us to celebrate, for us to look forward to, and for us to jump and enjoy ourselves.
Oh, nice. Can you turn around for me?
Yeah.
Thank you. Look at that.
Yeah, auntie.
All right.
Big up my nice clean self.
All
yeah.
right.
One me, not two. One me.
Hi guys, look at this too. Looking amazing. Hi, where are you from?
Hello.
Antigua and England.
Oh, nice. Is this your first time in the carnival?
No, third year and second year designing my own costumes as part of Thunder Mass.
Oh, nice. And what does this carnival mean to you?
It means family. It means love. Bonding. It means soca. And most importantly of all, it means freedom.
Oh, nice. Lovely. Are you going to be here next year?
100%. Of course.
Oh, cool. Can I see your costume? Oh, thank you. Love it. Oh my God, look at this too.
Yes, c'était un super carnaval. On était avec The Voice of Mauritius pour le carnaval 2025.
Oh, where are you from?
From Paris.
Paris. Oh my God. Is this your first time?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
Are you going to be here next year?
Yes. Of
All
course.
right.
So
Can you fly that? Yeah. Guys, look at this. Oh my God. Hi bro, where are you from?
I'm from Amsterdam, Holland.
Amsterdam.
Yeah.
All the way from Amsterdam.
All the way from Amsterdam.
How is the carnival so far?
Love it. Energy. Next year you guys must play with UKCOM. Come here, enjoy, celebrate. We are one family, one love.
What does the carnival mean to you?
To me, family, celebrate of my ancestors. Everything. Love, unity, everything.
Alright, can you say something in Dutch?
Dutch. Hey schatjes, volgende jaar hier moeten jullie zijn. Ik hoop jullie allemaal aanwezig. We zijn lid. Hallo.
Alright. Hey guys, look at this amazing Amazons. Where are you from? London. Oh, nice. Is this your first time in the carnival? Oh, okay. What does the carnival mean to you?
Everything.
Everything. And to you?
Just everything about culture.
Everything about culture. And to you?
Unity!
Unity! All right. Thank you. I love that. See you next year. Guys, look at my Nigerian brothers representing Nigeria. All right. So what country flag is this?
Martinique.
Martinique. Oh, nice.
It's between Dominica and
Sorry?
between Dominica and Saint Lucia.
Between Dominica and St. Lucia.
It's French Caribbean.
Oh, nice.
We had the flag like since last 1 or 2 years, so it's quite new, but it's really like big for us. So
Oh, is this your first time in the carnival?
No, it is not, but it's the first time with the flag, and I'm
The
actually
first time in the
happy.
flag?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the first year?
Yeah.
Nice. Are you going to be here next year?
Of course, with my flag.
Yeah. What does this carnival mean to you?
Freedom.
Freedom.
Yeah.
All right. See you next year. All right. Oh my God, this is lovely. Oh, nice. I love this. Unique. All right. All right. Sorry. What country?
£10 a second.
£10 a second. No problem. Just give me your account details afterwards. What country are you from?
Montserrat.
Nigeria! Oh my God, that's my Nigerian sister. Where from Nigeria are you from? Oh, okay. Nice to meet you. What country has this color?
This is just the band.
Oh, okay. How has the festival been so far? Amazing. All right. Oh, nice. Thank you very much. Hey, ladies. How you all doing? Where you from?
Caribbean.
Caribbean. Is this a Caribbean cultural color or something? What part of the Caribbean are you from? Different parts. Oh, how was the festival been so far?
Yes, it was good.
Amazing.
All right. Thank you very much. I love your outfits. Nice.